This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today we are making stir-fry turmeric chicken. Let's start with the rompa or the marinating paste. In a mortar and pestle, pound together 35 grams of fresh turmeric, 3 cloves of garlic with the skin removed, 20 grams of ginger, and 150 grams of shallots. Pound all this together till you get a fine paste. You can of course use a blender to do this. Here are 2 tips when you're using a mortar and pestle. First is to use a thick piece of cloth to put your mortar and pestle on. This is to absorb the impact of the pounding. Second, position the mortar and pestle at the corner of the table, directly over a table leg. This is where the table can take the most abuse. Or you can do like my grandma. Place the mortar and pestle over a thick piece of cloth on the floor, squat and start pounding. Next, let's prepare the chicken. I have here 500 grams of boneless chicken thighs, but you can use chicken breast if you prefer. Remove any visible fat from the chicken. Cut the chicken up into about 2 finger width pieces. Now, marinate the chicken in the rompa for about an hour. A few hours will be better. Overnight would be best. Here are some other ingredients that we will need. We will need a bunch of curry leaves, a stalk of lemongrass, a stalk of spring onions, a red chilli, and these. These are turmeric leaves. You can find them in your local wet market. We will need about 1 medium-sized leaf. Cut up the leaf by first rolling it up. Then cutting it into strips. As I'm cutting this leaf, I can smell the aroma of the turmeric leaf. Cut off the bottom end of the lemongrass and remove the outer parts. Then cut it up into diagonal slices. You can discard the top of the lemongrass. Next, cut up a stalk of spring onions. Separate the white parts for frying. And the green parts for garnishing. Deseed and cut up 1 red chilli. In a hot pan over medium heat, add in 2 tablespoons of oil. Add in the chicken and put them in one layer at the bottom of the pan. Give this about 1 minute to brown. Then, turn the chicken over and brown the other side. When the chicken is brown, add in 100 ml of water. Bring this water to a boil, then lower the heat to a simmer. Cover and let this simmer for about 1 to 2 minutes till the water is fairly dry. Then, add in the chilli, the lemongrass, the white parts of the spring onion, the turmeric leaves, and the curry leaves. Stir fry this for a minute or 2. Then add in half a teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of soya sauce. Give this a good mix. Taste and adjust for seasoning. Turn off the heat. Add in the green parts of the spring onion. And we are done. This is stir-fry turmeric chicken.